101boxbreaks.com. Doing some 14-15 Spectra basketball. Little divisional single box random. Got 6/15, 2015. 6:17 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's box number 2 from the case. Number 2 D-Money with a little dust. Numbered it about, 2 weeks ago, I think? This stuff's been up for a while. Thanks for helping it out, guys. Got a little randomization to do here. We got 14-15 Spectra basketball, divisional single box random, 6/15, 2015. Here's the divisions. And here's everybody in the break. Mike D, Alan P, Charlie C.O., Ragin' Reagan, Mike D, and Charlie C. Going to take your guys' names here, the 6 of you, and copy on up. Open up a random.org. Paste you guys on in. All right, and there's the 6 of you. Let me get the little random in the screen there. We're going to randomize it 3 times. Good luck to you. Here we go. There's number 1, 6 items on our list, time stamped up, all that fun stuff. Here's number 2. Boom. There's number 2. Final randomization. Good luck to you guys. We'll have a brief trade period after we assign teams here. Good luck from 101. And bam, there it is. All right, guys. We're going to take these. We're going to copy them on up. Open up our Spectra basketball. I hope I left enough room. Let me paste. Oh, I did. I did. All right, so there's your divisions. We're going to have a brief trade period, guys. If anybody wants to trade their divisions up, there we go. We got Mike D with the Southeast Atlantic going to Ragin' Reagan. Then we got Alan P in the Central. Charlie C in the Northwest. Then we got Mike D in the Southwest and Charlie C in the Pacific. If you guys are good on trades, go ahead and put that in the chat so that I just know that it's good to go. We're good to go. Other than that, let's get it crack-a-lackin' here. First time seeing the NBA divisional bracket on 101boxbreaks.com. There we go. Charlie's like, I'm good. Got your Cavs. All right, so Alan's good. Charlie's good. Ragin' Reagan is not with us. Pretty much leaves Mike D and everybody else is good. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and print this bad boy out and we're going to crack-a-lack it, guys. Whoo-wee! Thank you so much from 101boxbreaks.com. Got some Spectra rocking here, huh? Some Spectra here. Let's open the box while we're waiting for the printer to catch up. These are the mirror cards. You gotta shave when you break these cards because people can see your reflection in them. You know what I mean? All right. 84.94 or your tattoos and memorabilia in the background. Here we go, guys. Let me show you this one more time. Spectra Divisional Box Random. Here's your divisions, guys. Got Mike D, Ragin' Reagan, Alan P, Charlie C.O., and Mike D again. There's Charlie finishing us off. I'll call them out as they come, guys. We got to keep track for the bad break bonus, which is an NBA Finals Panini pack. Do the math, guys. I'm giving this stuff away. I just want to get rid of. I bought those promo packs just to get rid of Spectra. So let's do this. Number 3 is up. The rest will be buy one, get ones, and the rest will give you an opportunity at a promo pack. So let's get those bad boys full, huh? Is it 1 or is it 2? 2 from the bottom. Remember, for the base cards, 25 and under count only. All right? First card's going to be Damian Lillard. All right. That's going to be going to the Trailblazers in the Western Conference. Northwest, Charlie C.O. And 14 out of 49. Up next is going to be Eric Bledsoe. And that's going to be going to the Suns in the Pacific. Charlie C.O. as well. The 101 Factory going 2 for 2. What's going on here? Oh, up next we got Kyle Lowry. Toronto, them Raptors in the Atlantic going to Reagan. There you go, Reagan. Get you on the board anyway. It's going to be numbered 48 out of 75. All right, to the hits. Ooh! Freshman Fabrics, Tyler Ennis. And that's going to Milwaukee. And the Bucks, the Central, Allen P. Oh, you guys got me all cleaned out, too. I don't know, guys. Plastic's coming, but this is my last 130 and 180 are done. And we're going to use it for this bad boy. We'll go from there. Oh, the next one, too. Okay, here we go. Wow, back in glorious fashion, the 101 Factory. Oh, Ben McLemore. Spectra Black. Logo Man patch. Oh, for Sacramento, the Kings. The Pacific, Charlie. Zero. Oh. Nasty. Very nasty. Central off the board, Pacific off the board. Wow. It's actually our second one like that we pulled, too. I like them a lot. Okay, so we have this Tyler Ennis. I wonder if they're brothers. James Ennis! Oh, three-color nasty rookie patch for the Heat in the Southeast Division, Mike D. Non-numbered nastiness. Wow. Let me take the Heat in the Southeast off the board. So far, 3 divisions down, guys. We still got 5 cards left or whatever. All right, check this out. Boom! The Timberwolves and dang! Nasty Spectra Green 3-color patch auto. 3 out of 5. Wow, the Timberwolves in the Northwest. Charlie C.O. coming back with a bang tonight. Oh. That is nasty. Should definitely be plastic, like I said. Guys killed me this week. We did break a lot, though. There's only 2 divisions left. All right, first card's going to be Spencer Hawes. Little patch auto, Spencer Hawes. Why not? It's going to be going to the Clippers. Charlie C.O. doing some work in the Pacific Division. It's going to be 24 out of 125. Pacific is already down. And then we got, oh my lord. Wow. Oh my. I'm so excited right now. Mark Aguirre. Come on, who's got the Pistons? The Central Allen P. Spectacular patch auto. 29 out of 49. Oh my. It's my first one ever. That's going to take the Pistons off the board. They already were with the Central. Oh, wow, you guys! The Birdman, come on! Hall of Fame patch auto, Larry Bird! Boom! 9 out of 35. Going to Boston and the Celtics in the Atlantic region. Reagan in you. And you guys, that leaves one division left. The Southwest with no hits. Mike D winning an NBA Finals promo pack from Panini Wednesday night, brother. Because you were the only hitless division. The other guys all got some really nice stuff. But you're getting that promo pack. Mike D704 Wednesday night. We're going to be opening that bad boy for you. I think you hit that Odell Beckham Jr. out of the black box you won too, huh? On a roll with those promo packs, bud. Congratulations. Thank you to everybody in the break. The Larry Bird, the Ben McLemore 101, the Larry Bird. I got to show it again. The card is clean. Like I said, box 3's up, guys. Spectra is nasty. That was one box. All right, guys. I'm going to save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there. It's 101boxbreaks.com.